For the NHL to digitally transform, we need a network that provides more bandwidth, more security, and better reliability. A private wireless network fits those needs significantly.
The NHL's mission is to super serve our fans and to provide the best action on the ice. And to make sure that our teams have everything that they need to be as competitive as they can be.
Over the last 5 years, a lot has happened at the National Hockey League. We've embraced many different technologies and many different form factors, and that's pushed us to have a much bigger need for bandwidth and connectivity at all of our venues. We have 32 venues spread across 2 different countries. It's paramount to have a solid connection and know that that's similar from one venue to the next.
And then the doors open and the fans come in. It didn't matter what you did for preparation, it all goes out the door. You start seeing drop packets of video.
All of the networks would be overrun once the doors are open and once the venue is at capacity. Fundamentally, it can impact the game. It could impact player decision. It could impact coaching decisions.
It matters. A millisecond delay matters to them because they know.
It's the worst thing that would happen, especially for our clubs, is if one club had great connectivity and the other one did not, where someone has the ability to review plays or they have access to live real-time analytics and the other one does not. That's a competitive advantage or a competitive disadvantage. When it came to this fundamental need to have a private wireless network system dedicated just for the league and dedicated just for our operations, Verizon was a no-brainer.
I have gone and made it my mission to get technology into the hands of coaches and players that help them do their jobs better. We have a couple of use cases on the bench. One is coach to video coach communications. The video coach is running replays for the coaches in the situation where the coach wants to decide whether to challenge a play or not. The other use case on the bench is to provide video for the players.
All of our technology, especially on the players' benches, are providing not just stats, but real-time analytics, live video replays. In this new world, instead of us trying to operate and manage on the same fundamental lanes that everyone is running on, we will have our own dedicated lanes that will allow us to put our own dedicated equipment on just that spectrum of network, and that is going to be critical.
Our game's fast. Everything happens fast. We don't have breaks like football. Everything has to be seamless and the latency has to be almost live. When those doors open, I can breathe a sigh of relief. I don't have to worry about getting stepped on. Everything's already here for us.
I think that the amount of different use cases that you've been able to layer on to private wireless has been pretty impressive.
What's exciting is what we could do in the future. So as new technologies, new sensors come along, the Verizon Private Wireless Network gives us an opportunity to absorb those and power them, making sure that they're secure and they have the bandwidth that they need to operate correctly.
We're looking to provide a wireless monitoring system for the officials on ice. We're looking to move all of the cameras and our goals onto the private wireless network.
The NHL Innovation Lab, powered by Verizon, is a new, exciting adventure for us. It's going to create a physical space where we can test new technologies, but then quickly bring it over to Prudential Center and deploy it in a real NHL arena.
I really highly value the collaboration with other smart people. I think that's been a big part of our relationship with Verizon.
From an innovation perspective, when we look at new technologies, we trust Verizon. We know they can deliver. Verizon's one of the first tech partners that we turn to.
I can't be in 32 buildings at the same time, so being able to go and really translate what we learn in one building to all of them and have that network be the one constant, ubiquitous asset that we have is liberating in lots of ways.